Haro chomo seneta o Kitui Wambua. O gikiri gente sana. Tabanga in fact paka na igeta tanga mtenga kana mwali ya serikali sasa moyo opposition. Ene discussion era ro.
Ngwaro je Wambua na kwanete na madha karua na kwanete. Ekero kuli ye such principle Wambua na alliance. And Wambua the spokesman ya Kalonzo. I think I'm right emotion.
Yes.
Igo amangana ya kwanete iga kwanete amangana ya kidilapse. I'm sure nga chi principle yetu na tobwate ngoenda bali retreat tali wiki yo mushimo bakwane bali ye ikero na tobukwana lero iga ndora nya formula yo ko pick a candidate iri raji ko buri ya bendera ya united opposition igo I think yamangana mo senator Kitui mosani ona Wambua kwanete iga kwanete atarama ya kujimenga nkikendere ikiara yakundi unatoka ndo ujimutua tuwezi pi paka toteme ukaranze mesa tuanchane tumanya kwa nyore formula yogo dire no mondo ko William Ruto ase igo tinda iti mbekero ubo ditoba nene esa mangana Wambua kwani njo mondo naro jo kwani tebuya no muswaidi ko kumata karwa o yore principle no matiangu na tebetenga ekelo to tenga nkuli kitore the flag bearer united opposition pagatoliki a scientific way you pick a candidate which is flag bearer united opposition so the discussion is very healthy kero mondo te alwa maoni yae muje to manje ikaransa tuliye formula e goto mondo ya mo ko bolia endera united opposition
would you prefer boardroom or scientific?
I will tell you can use both. Kene ke gote ni ntutumia both ne rie sabantu bawe karansa kwaligereria na no me ne kundi bintu ne binge biwoche samanga na wacha ora I would provide the presidency ikiara unaona. I'll give you an example. It will reach a stage nege teke na rora mwana oyo kwa Kanchori oyo lenge na Raila very close with him and Kanchori said at some point no it was Wafula Buke. It was all the advisor to Fred Matiang'i. Wafula Buke said, at some point, Kwenda Tuli Western Province, we are going to map out areas. At some point, what the candidate was saying, there was nothing here very contradictory. Bono Nyakundi, Bono Iga. Whatever Nguli Yole, Chikura Nairobi, Iga City. Whatever that Nguli Chukura Kurwa, Dagoretti. Whatever Dagoretti South. Formula kyo tumia. Formula kyo ratumia. Lateri tanga ni o kali sinovate. Otevenga inche kuliginde geroweki. A candidate yo nyagite. Umuntu ndororo noyo. Abanda ababere oyo galega totebingo ninyale kubu oyo gotenda chikura. Ninyale kumanage umuntu strengths chiane injiri china weaknesses injiri. There's no contradiction. We have to accepting as some of us into popular, amanda into popular. So we balance the two. Una wano. Okay, na mangana usi mwa Okongo. Mangana mwenye kukamba. Torokuru walusi. Mwa kama chogo watevile nkoli yaro governor. And we have encouraged him. Na inche nkoli yinde. Mwa kumishimu mingo maaro minto. Nereno ali. So you are looking at some point. What matters ne formula liye kuchikogere se timu ye ito as a team. Tode liwe vile tokete. Opo governor, o deputy governor, o speaker ne women rep. Yune vile se county. Formula kito gotumia. You are not going to sit in the street or angelinga bunge la whatever. Aliye posta kuzongo batenga nangu mondo morojo mwaneza kwa president. No, oto wikaransa. We look at the data. And again to carry, and I think what we must understand, unawa mwenye getinge. Nelinga actually olige richi innovate chance gocha mwakolia gocha kuna for June last year mpaka bona. Omo mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i is always ahead. In fact, tiga atanga ni returute se numbers jai. Kwa mea konyora number 2, Kalonzo wagocha imo sensa chini kwa nyora Kalonzo atanga ini, Matiang'i gade number 2. So we have to look for a reasonable way na kitogochu we position. So there is no contradiction. Lakini nendo roja matukaya kiro mondo wikaanza kuresie maite wanongo salivale abanichi segima buate. But basically again tukene Nyakundi, opposition politics no national government roji there is incumbents ye president no ere na bantu ba ye bakanyete the other side to organize. One into opposition no liere the Kenyan historical opposition history. disagree, agree, but the common lesson which we have learned, break up. We will stick it together. We will make sure that we have a candidate who is strong and who is going to make sure that William Ojireka.
At what point do the principals join you?
Most probably, I think, I think they are going for a retreat next week. And then after that, we will move until around June, because properly, presidential campaigns will take about 1 year. So before I believe the decision would have been made and we'll move on.